Welcome to Skin and Health Hub, your home for natural beauty and simple DIY skincare that loves your skin back. If you struggle with oily skin, especially shine, clogged pores, or rough texture, this DIY face scrub will help balance your skin and keep it clean, smooth, and refreshed. Let's make a simple but effective scrub using BlueSeal Vaseline, coffee, sugar, egg white, and turmeric. Start with 1 teaspoon of BlueSeal Vaseline. Even if you have oily skin, Vaseline doesn't clog pores when used in small amounts. Instead, it helps protect your skin barrier, reduces dryness caused by exfoliation, and keeps your skin balanced so it doesn't produce excess oil. Next, add 2 teaspoons of coffee. Coffee grounds are great for oily skin because they gently exfoliate dead skin cells, reduce oil buildup, and help brighten dull areas. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Sugar works as a natural exfoliant that helps clear out clogged pores and remove rough patches, leaving your skin smoother and softer. Now add 1 egg white. Egg white is amazing for oily skin. It's naturally tightening, helps shrink enlarged pores, and absorbs excess oil from the surface of your skin. Add ½ teaspoon of turmeric. Turmeric helps brighten the skin, even out tone, and calm any redness or irritation. You only need a little amount because it's very powerful. Now mix everything together until the texture becomes creamy with gentle exfoliating grains. It should look smooth but still gritty enough to scrub the skin effectively. Apply the scrub to clean skin. Use your fingertips to massage in small circular motions. Focus on areas that get the most oily: your forehead, nose, and chin. The exfoliation removes buildup while the egg white and turmeric work together to keep the skin balanced and bright. After scrubbing for about 3 minutes, leave it for 5 minutes, then rest and rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Pat your face dry with a soft towel. Your skin should feel clean, fresh, and smooth without feeling stripped. Lastly, apply a tiny amount of coconut oil for a soft, healthy glow. It melts into the skin and keeps it smooth without needing much product. Use this scrub 2 to 3 times a week to help control oil, unclog pores, and keep your skin glowing naturally. Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who has oily skin, and subscribe for more DIY skincare tips.